Hello, friend. How are you doing? I just want to take a few minutes to walk you through what's inside the Wellness Webinar Blueprint Workshop. I am going to tell you one thing. For the price you are getting this workshop, you are getting a lot of value. And I want to share with you what's inside, what's happened when you actually get to sign up for the workshop. So what happened is that once you sign up for the workshop, you will be immediately directed to this page in my website where you will have all of the information for the workshop. If you are watching this video before September 11, which is when we do our live session, you will have here the link so that you can join the session. If you're watching this after September 11, I will include here the replay video so that you can watch always that at your own time. You'll have these templates in here. And these templates in here are templates that I normally use for my long-term mentorship programs, for my strategy sessions, and they are amazing templates that I'm going to be sharing with you in a minute. But these are the templates that you have. And if you click in one of these templates, what you're going to see, it's in mostly in every template, you also have a video, which you can click here. So what's going to happen when you click that link is that it's going to take you to a video where I'm going to be giving you the step-by-step process. This is what they look like. These are templates that you can keep for your whole life, and you can repurpose and reuse once again and again and again. And now, one of the most amazing and incredible things about this only has much higher price than the cost of this webinar, is that I'm giving you the promotional email templates, not only for before the webinar. And as you can see here, everything that you need to send before your webinar, I highlighted in yellow the things that you need to fill up depending on your webinar. It's going to change from person to person. Not only that, but you're also going to have the host webinars. So here is when you talk about your offer and whatever you want to sell that is connected to this webinar. And of course, before deciding on the sales and all of that, on the offer that you want to sell, we go through the webinar structure together, the logistics, the script, and all of that. So all of these templates, all of these videos, all of these email templates, everything can be found inside the Wellness Webinar Blueprint Workshop. You can sign up now and you'll see me inside. If you are seeing this before September 11, fantastic, we'll get to connect in person. If you're watching this after September 11, 2025, then you'll have the replay from this workshop. I promise you, this is something that you can use again and again and again, and you can repurpose and you can use for each and every offer that you want to sell. If you've been thinking whether or not this is a good investment, my friend, I'm telling you now, this is a very good investment. So I hope to see you inside. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you inside.